Are you a passionate writer looking to turn your passion into a profession? Are you tired of struggling with writer's block and not knowing how to start writing? You're not alone. Many people face these same struggles, but there is a solution. Our online Zafar Khan's copy and content writing workshop for absolute beginners will teach you the techniques and skills you need to overcome the writer's block and write compelling content that drives traffic and sales. Our workshop covers a range of topics, from writing headlines that grab attention to creating content that resonates with your audience. Our experienced instructor will provide personalized feedback and guide you through the process, so you can build your writing skills and succeed in advertising, digital marketing, social media, or working as a self-employed freelancer.
Mr. Zafar Khan has been fantastic. He's very personable, explains concepts beautifully with lots of examples. And the best part is, you can ask questions very specific to your role, very specific to your industry. Either you're a freelancer or you're part of a corporate, or if writing is part of your work in any way. I think this class is something you shouldn't miss.
Sign up now for the online workshop and learn from the best in the business.
I highly recommend this workshop to people who are aspiring careers in digital marketing, social media marketing and mass media sector.